Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about the size of small intestine in a cattle and a human being. Now, which of these has a longer small intestine? Cattle has longer small intestine than human beings, right? This is one of the important questions, that whether herbivores have longer intestine or human beings. So herbivores are those animals that specifically feeds upon the grass and the plants. So you must be knowing that grass or the plants, they are rich in cellulose, because cellulose is an important component of the cell wall. That's why herbivores or herbivores are those animals that feeds upon the grass and the plants. So herbivores, they have longer small intestine. Why? Because cellulose digestion requires longer time. Cellulose digestion requires longer time. So the more will be the length of the small intestine, more will be the area under duodenum, jejunum and ileum, as we talked about it in the small intestine. If you haven't watched the video on small intestine, do watch out that one to have an understanding what are the various parts of small intestine. Okay, so the longer will be small intestine, the greater would be the area under duodenum, jejunum and ileum, and better will be the digestion. So this is the clarification why herbivores, they have longer small intestine in comparison to the human beings. The question for this video is, what does a small intestine leads to? Means what comes after small intestine? You can write your answers in the comment section of this video. A feedback will definitely be given to you in the form of reply, and the students who are consecutively participating in the questions of each video, their names will definitely be reflecting in the upcoming video. Stay tuned for more learning videos. Thank you.